Hello friends, I have something really neat to show you today. You see, in my hand I have a big cup for tea. Now, over here I have an electric kettle, and inside I have scorching hot water. So I'm gonna pour some water into the cup, and if you look closely, from the cup will emerge steam. Now this is way too hot to drink right now. Luckily, there's one more thing I have with me. Here is an ice cube. And when I put the ice cube into the tea, it's perfect to drink. Welcome to another tree in review, and today we're going to be ranking the 3 states of matter from worst to best. 3 states of matter? What's the matter? Isn't one enough? Hilarious pun aside, no. Well, what about 50 states? No, that doesn't make any sense. No, there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Now each of these are made up of very tiny little particles, and the way these particles are arranged is what sets them apart. Now the first state of matter is solid. An example of this, you could just look on the side of the road and see a brick. Now the particles in this brick are tightly packed together. They have a very regular pattern that doesn't really change. Now this has a specific shape, and if I put this in a container, it will stay a rectangular prism. It will not change. Solid. The second state of matter is the liquid state. Now, the liquid state, a good example for this, is water. So if I go back to my tea, you can see it has clearly taken the shape of my cup. Now if I just pour it on the ground, it all just splatters around. Now the reason for this is because the particles for liquid do not have a specific regular pattern like the solid. The particles are still more rigid than the upcoming state. Wait a minute, this doesn't make any sense. All right, I could see solid, I could see liquid. All right, why can I not see gas? Yes, so that was a perfect moment to say spoiler alert, but yes, that is true. Why can I not just grab gas and show you an example of it? Okay, well, the reason for this is because liquids and solids are known as condensed phases. This means it's something that is you could touch it, you can feel it, you could see it. But for gases, the particles are moving so quickly and they're so sporadic, they don't have any specific pattern to it, so you're not able to see it or interact with it in the same way. So my example for you is this. Gas. So now it's time to rank the 3 states of matter. Alright, so the worst state, coming up in last place, number 3, is liquid. Okay, liquid, you're kind of lame. Okay, we could only drink a small percentage of water in the world. All right, and all the other liquids are not that interesting. Now you got mercury, that's poisonous, and you've got oil, and that's just that's not healthy for you. You get acne. So liquid, you're at the bottom. Okay, coming in second place, that's got to be gas. Okay, gas, we all love you. Okay, you have a lot of funny fart jokes. Okay, and you definitely deserve second place. But there can only be one. So the best state of matter is solid. And the reason why solid is so solid, and it's not just because of hilarious jokes like that. No, it's because, well, the ground is solid. And if it wasn't solid, then we would always be falling or drowning. So because solid is the reason that we're able to walk around and be cool, solid wins. Good job, Solid. So that's it for me. Thank you for tuning in to another tree of review, and I'll be seeing you another time. Solid!